Alright, hey guys, what's up? So today we're gonna be taking apart the KX80 engine. Take it apart, take a look at it, see what's up, and yeah, so it's gonna be part 2 of the series. Let's get out. Alright guys, so we're gonna start here. We're gonna just start by removing all the rad hoses. Get them out of the way. Already loosened the head there. So when I took the first one off here, there was no coolant whatsoever, so. Hopefully it's not blown up. So that's the rad hoses there. Next, we take off the carb. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and take the carburetor off. Not too bad. Now the intake flame. Alright, now take off the intake boot. Doesn't look too bad. The reeds here. This is what it looks like. In there. Not sure what that is in there, but we'll figure it out. Alright, now we're going to take the top end off here. Oh, jeez. It's a spark plug. Take these bolts off here to the cylinder. Get it? It's kind of hard when you don't got an engine mount. There we go. This one's feeling a bit stiff over here. Alright. Time to remove the cylinder. Doesn't look bad. A bit in there, but it was a race bike, so not surprised. Couple metal shavings in there, but yeah, overall not so bad. All right, now we can remove the piston here. This is kind of the sketchy way to do it. Right, didn't really see where that went, but we'll find it eventually here. Alright, I think we can just should just be able to push that out. Get this one out first. I'll get this second clip out first, just in case. There you go, that one was a lot easier there. I also have a lot of trouble getting this piece out here. Slowly but surely. Alright, so we finally got it out just enough. Looks pretty good. It's not bad. I'm gonna finish it out though. I found the longer 9mm works better, and if you use a hammer. There we go. So there's your top of the piston there. Needle bearing looks good. Rod looks decent. Take off this gasket. Fairly new gasket, it looks like. Alright guys, so we got everything off from the top end here. So yeah, we got our piston, our needle bearing, we got our cylinder, we got our head, and we got our gasket here. So yeah, that's a disassembly of the top end for this for the KX80. Alright guys, so that's gonna be a wrap for this video. Just a disassembly of the top end. Next, we're gonna get on to disassembling both sides of the engine and then splitting the case. So basically, it's gonna be in three or four videos just because it's so much. So yeah, so that was the top end. Hope you guys liked it. Subscribe if you want to keep seeing stuff like this. You can subscribe if you want. Like the video if you guys like this stuff. I do have a playlist of just a KX80 build, so I'm working on the frame and stuff right now. That'll come in future videos. But yeah, for the engine, so a couple more videos on the engine coming out soon. But yeah, that's mostly it. So comment if you noticed anything or did something wrong or whatever. But yeah, so have a good one, guys.